Hello, this is a 4K video test, 30 frames per second with the GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera. 4K video test, 30 frames per second. Just to show you what we are recording with, here is the camera itself. This is the GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera. This is a 4K video test at 30 frames per second. Extended video test, 4K at 30 frames per second. With the narrow viewing angle, hopefully to prevent any distortion, fisheye effect. This is the narrow viewing angle, 4K 30 frames per second with the GIISKOM R2 Fancy R2 action camera. That is pictured right here. This is the GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera that we're recording with. 4K video test at 30 frames per second. It's a Saturday afternoon. A 4K video test, 30 frames per second with the GIISKOM Fancy R2. Extended video test, this video is not being edited, just being uploaded to YouTube. Recording with the GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera that you see here. This is what we're recording with. This is a 4K video test at 30 frames per second. Extended video test. Video test, 30 frames per second. .4K video test, 30 frames per second with the GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera that you see here. This camera goes all the way up to 4K resolution at 60 frames per second. This is 30 frames per second at 4K. Extended video test, 4K resolution at 30 frames per second on this cloudy Saturday afternoon. 4K video test at 30 frames per second. Video test at 30 frames per second. .4K video test, 30 frames per second. This is GIISKOM Fancy R2 action camera.